Hey traders, what's cooking? Imagine this Sunday morning, coffee in hand. You check your crypto portfolio. You feel like a genius. Then, bam, Bitcoin crashes. You rush to your exchange to sell, but the app slows down. Withdrawals pause, or trading lags right when the market goes crazy. No buying, no selling, just you staring at the screen while the market bleeds red. Sounds familiar? Welcome to the CEX circus. That's one reason why many traders are now exploring DEXs like Uniswap, PancakeSwap, and Jupiter alongside Binance and Coinbase. Today, we will break down the 5 key reasons why decentralized trading is growing fast. Crypto's golden rule: not your keys, not your coins. After FTX's 2022 collapse, where many users lost access to their funds for an extended period, everyone gets it now. Centralized exchanges hold your wallet keys. Your coins may be yours in name, but access? Ultimately, the exchange controls the wallets holding those assets. It's like handing your house keys to a stranger and hoping for the best. DEXs flip the script. Connect your own wallet and trade directly on chain. Your funds stay in your wallet throughout the trading process. No middleman, no withdrawal request, no exchange control account freezes affecting your wallet. Even in market chaos, you stay in control, and that's priceless. Creating an account on some exchanges feels harder than applying for a visa. Upload your passport, take a selfie, verify your address, wait 24 hours, then another 24. You just wanted to trade crypto, not join the CIA. Many DEXs let you trade wallet to wallet without KYC. Usually it's just connect wallet, swap, done. Blockchain activity is public, so DEXs aren't fully anonymous, but you skip the long verification waits. Plus, with regulations getting stricter globally, some traders prefer the extra privacy and speed. Quick warning: scams are everywhere. Never share your seed phrase. If someone asks for it, they are trying to steal your crypto. New crypto projects often launch on DEXs first. CEXs usually list larger, more established coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. New tokens often take time due to reviews, legal checks, and listing requirements. On DEXs, new tokens can launch almost instantly. That means traders sometimes discover projects before they go mainstream. In crypto, being early can make a huge difference. Many meme coins and early stage projects were first traded on DEXs before gaining wider attention. Yes, it's risky. Some are scams, some disappear overnight, some have names like a Wi Fi password. Always do your own research. If a coin promises guaranteed 1000x profits, that's your sign to run. Nobody likes fees, especially ones that eat your profits. You make a 30% gain, then you realize there are trading fees, withdrawal fees, spreads, and network fees depending on the platform and blockchain you are using. DEXs can sometimes offer lower costs, especially on networks with relatively low transaction fees. Examples: Jupiter uses the Solana network, which is known for relatively low transaction cost. Uniswap v3 on Base may be significantly cheaper to use than Uniswap on Ethereum mainnet. PancakeSwap operates on BNB chain, which generally has lower transaction fees than Ethereum mainnet. Speed is another area where some DEXs can shine. On fast blockchains like Solana and certain layer 2 networks, many transactions can settle within seconds. When markets get volatile, in CEX. Sometimes platforms experience slowdowns or temporary service interruptions during periods of heavy traffic. In DEX, as long as the underlying blockchain is operating normally, users can continue submitting transactions directly on-chain. Pro tip: use aggregators like 1inch or Matcha to help find competitive prices and potentially lower cost. Stick to fast chains like Solana or Layer 2s if low fees are important to you. CEXs are companies. Companies can face challenges such as hacks, operational issues, regulatory actions, or financial difficulties. Examples: Mt. Gox suffered a major hack that resulted in the loss of hundreds of thousands of Bitcoin. Some exchanges have experienced temporary outages during periods of extreme market activity. Certain exchanges have faced regulatory restrictions in specific jurisdictions. DEXs run through smart contracts on a blockchain rather than relying on a centralized exchange operator to execute trades. Trades execute automatically on-chain. Many major DEX protocols are open source and have undergone multiple security audits. Risks still exist, but they are different from the risk associated with centralized custody. Many crypto users view self-custody as one of the core benefits of decentralized finance. DEXs rock, but they are not flawless. UX can be tricky. Scam tokens and phishing sites are common. Lost seed phrase, no reset password. Funds may be inaccessible forever. Transactions are generally irreversible once confirmed on-chain. Freedom equals to responsibility, no hand holding. But tools help. DEX Screener, live charts and liquidity checks. rugcheck.xyz, token risk analysis. Revoke.cash, review and revoke token approvals. Pocket Universe, transaction simulation and scam protection tools. Pro tip: start small, use a hardware wallet, and always do your own research. Start on trusted DEXs like Uniswap or Radium. Use aggregators to compare prices. Always verify the official token contract address from trusted sources. Fake copycats are extremely common. Use reasonable slippage and double check transaction details. Protect your seed phrase like your life savings, because honestly it is. So, traders, what do you think? Are centralized exchanges still your go to? Or are you ready to explore the DEX world? Now, I want to hear from you. What's your biggest reason for using a DEX? Drop it in the comment section. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more simple crypto content.